Hello everyone, welcome back. On today's video I'm preparing some salmon and some vegetables. Here's our salmon fillets. To season it we've got some crushed chilies, some salt and some lemon juice. And here is our salmon. Sprinkle it with some crushed chilies, some salt and squeeze of a lemon juice. When we're done, we're going to line this on a baking paper, on a baking tray. This will make it easy to turn and also help it not to stick. We're going to bake this salmon now. And here we are. We've turned it around and it's fully cooked. I'm making some vegetables to go with the salmon. In a pan, I add a little bit of oil, some chopped onions. Cook the onions down until it's soft. And then we can add our cherry tomatoes. Continue to stir it and cook it down. After a while, we can now add our bell peppers, red and yellow bell peppers I'm using today. We don't want to cook this for too long because we don't want it to be too soft. We go ahead and season it with some salt, some seasoning cubes, stir together, mix very well. Allow it to cook for a few more minutes and our vegetable is ready. This dish is very delicious, it's very healthy, it's very simple and it's very easy to make. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you subscribe, please hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in our next video.